If you are a videographer or photographer, it doesn't matter if you do product videos or you shoot weddings, I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how in 3 steps you can use Facebook ads to run your ad campaigns and get clients and grow your media company business. Salam my friends, welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel Nimul TV. Has been a while since I posted a video, and I'm gonna be honest, the reason is because I've been too busy doing projects for clients that I wasn't able to post the contents that I used to do, the video editing tutorial, tech reviews, and all the behind the scenes stuff. But I'm back, and in this video, as I kind of briefly mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the exact 3 steps that I have created in order to be able to leverage the Facebook ads to run campaigns as a videographer or photographer to get clients, grow your business, and have a sustainable approach towards this whole content creation procedure and business. And before I get started and get into details of these 3 steps, I need to mention that all of the steps are equally important, and you cannot actually proceed to the next one without making sure that you have taken care of the previous one and you have already done all of the stuff that I've mentioned in regards to each. The first step, as any type of videographer or photographer, is having a decent portfolio. You can have your portfolio on a website, on a free website. You can have it on your Instagram account. If you do photos, or let's say if you do wedding photography, you need to put some of your stuff, some of your past works somewhere so people can go there as a sign of proof to bring that credibility for you, and they are like, okay, this dude knows what he or she is doing, right? If you are just beginning, if you don't have a portfolio yet, start doing free stuff for friends, for family members. Actually reach out to people, go, okay, I'm gonna do this for you for free to build up that portfolio. Any type of videographer or photographer has lots of free stuff on their portfolio, and this is just gonna be the foundation of your whole process. So step 1 is having a portfolio. If you don't have it, start making it, spend some time on it, but believe me, this is one of the necessities of any photographer or videographer. But if you already have a portfolio and you think it's already in good shape, you can just proceed to step 2. Step 2 is going to be creating a video ad creative that we are going to be using on the ad campaigns. To give you an idea, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this 15-second video that I actually created and have used on my ad campaign to get clients for doing product and personal brand videographers. Hey guys, it's Nima, a YouTuber / video content creator based here in Miami, Florida, and what I do is I create awesome videos for brands to showcase their products and services. Send me a DM, let's schedule a free meeting and make some awesome content for your brand. Now, once you have your ad creative ready to go, you've edited that, you added the captions and stuff, you can actually use the video that I just showed you as a reference. Once you make sure you're happy with that, and this video is actually to the point, we are going to create a Facebook business account. So if you are not familiar with how this whole thing works, to having a Facebook business account, ad account, I'm going to actually put a couple of videos below in the description from other creators. However, if you don't even have any experience or you have a little bit of experience, I'm going to show you briefly how this whole Facebook ads system works. First, you need to go to business.facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook credentials, and then it's gonna tell you, okay, you don't have any ad account or business account, and it's gonna just walk you through how the steps work. It's gonna ask you a couple of informations about your business, and you're gonna be all set in a couple of minutes, to be honest. If you already have a business account, it's going to take you to the dashboard, and you need to know if you have an ad account within your business account or not. So we have the business account and we have the ad account underneath the business account. All right, so once you have your business account ready to go and you already have created an ad account within your business account, you might ask, how can I create an ad account? Go to the menu and click on Ads Manager. If you don't have an ad account, it's going to ask you a couple of basic information and just create an ad account for you. Once you have your ad account ready, you just create on campaign. You can already see the campaign that I was testing for this video before. Just create on creating campaign. And For the type of campaigns objective, what I would recommend that works the best for us is having messages as our conversion. Let's say I'm running my ads on Instagram. I want them to send me a DM and ask me the questions, and then I can actually lead them through the funnel that I want. You can go for other stuff like traffic, brand awareness, and hoping that they might send you like a message. But when you actually choose the message, it's going to show them send the message below your ad creative. So what I say that you should do and I recommend is having messages as a consideration and objective of your campaign. So once you have your consideration set as messages, just choose a name for your campaign, ad set, and ad account. Campaign has 3 layers. We have the ad campaign, we have the ad set, and we have the ad within the ad set. So for the campaign, I'm just gonna something like, just for the sake of video, like tutorial ad campaign, and then I'm gonna just choose an ad set name. Let's say ad set sample 1, and within that ad set I'm going to say add video 1, let's say, and then I just tap on continue. So all the names and stuff are already embedded here. It's not a special ad category like real estate and political stuff, so just let that be. Don't change buying type, let it be auction. Messages all perfect. If you want to set like a total spending limit for the whole campaign, put it here. I would say let's just put daily limit instead of total limit. So I'm going to go all the way down, campaign budget optimization, and over here I'm just going to put, let's say 5, 10, 15, 20, 100, but I would say start with $10 per day, and then just optimize it after that. Once you're done with this page, I'm just going to click on next. In here, so we do ad set information. So the name of the ad set, just put it whatever you want. Ad type, click to message. So I want them, if it's showed on Instagram or Facebook, but we're going to just do Instagram, just tap there and send me a message. So click to message is going to be the ad type. And then Instagram direct is what I want. I don't want to do messenger. So I'm just going to have Instagram direct. Connect your Facebook page. If it's not, connect your Instagram page. If it's not, it's just going to walk you through your login and you're all set. So make sure you have your Facebook and Instagram pages connected here. I'm not going to be optimizing it over here. Don't change anything. Over here you can put for what period of time you want this to be running. If you don't, it's just going to be running continuously. So if you wanted to do 3 days, 4 days, I would say put an end date. Also consider 1 day extra in the beginning because it's going to take about maximum 24 hours for your ad to be approved. So now this is the tricky part. Let's choose our audiences. So if you already don't have any audience on your ad account, we need to create ones. For example, if you are doing wedding photography and you are, let's say, in Florida, or you are in Los Angeles, or you're in New York, but I would say test it in small regions and then expand it for your upcoming businesses. Now, let's say we are in New York. So location, I would change this to, I'm going to remove this and I'm just going to put New York City, for example. New York City. So once I have New York City over here, it's going to show me approximately, it's about like 10 million people. Now I don't want everyone within New York City. I want people who are planning for wedding, right? For example, let's say I do wedding photography. So over here, I just go down. First of all, you can filter your ages. If you have no idea, don't change it. Gender, I wouldn't change it. And detailed targeting is where we are actually going to play our part. So I would say if you're doing wedding, just put wedding in here. Let's say people who are interested in wedding dress. People are buying dresses, right? Put this and then add something else like wedding, what else? You can even put wedding photography. Why? Because people might have already searched and algorithm thinks, oh, okay, these are interested and looking for a photographer. So tag a couple of stuff over here and try to just kind of drop this number to a lower number. If it's too big, you can narrow your audience by tapping over here and just excluding stuff. If not, you can just make your region smaller. For example, do like 10 miles and it's just gonna make it lower. I usually go with like 2, 3 million, 4 million top. So you can play around and based on the behavior of your audience, your client, prospective client, and the type of video that you've made, and target the right type of people. But once you're done with this, make sure you uncheck this, because this is also going to optimize. As you see, after unchecking this, it just dropped down to 2 million. So make sure this detailed targeting expansion is not done, because then Facebook is just going to ruin your whole campaign. Once you're done with this, you can save this, choose a name for it, and then you can just use it in the future. And placement, we are going to do manual placement. My recommendation, just do feed, don't do stories. And I usually prefer Instagram, to be honest, but you can also do Facebook. So select the platforms that you want to show, and also based on the aspect ratio of your content. And I just wanted that to run on Facebook feeds and explore page. So I'm going to choose feed, I'm going to choose explore, and then I'm going to uncheck reels and stuff and go all the way down. We are all set. I'm going to click next, and here is where you actually choose your video. So I'm going to go single video. Create ad is going to be what you are going to do, and over here add your media. Tap on add video and just tap your video. If it's not here, just upload it. I already have it from before, so it's here. And then add a primary text, which is like the caption of the post, explain about them. You can repeat some of the stuff that you already talked about in the video. And the call to action that is going to be shown is send a message. You can actually tell them, okay, send me a message. If you're interested, let's talk. And you can actually create some predefined messages that once they tap on send message, they just tap and they send that. For example, you can define one as, okay, hi, I'm interested, what are your prices? So the question is already there, they just tapped if it's their question, and it's just gonna make it more convenient for them to actually reach out. So once you're done with this whole thing, you tap on publish. However, I haven't selected that yet. I don't have a video yet. But once you publish this, make sure you tap on this 3 dots over here on your ad set level, and you duplicate your ad set twice. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna create one of your ad sets. It's gonna be one campaign, one ad set, and one ad within that ad set, and then you duplicate that ad set. So I have a duplicate here with the same ad in it, and then duplicate it again. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna have 3 identical ad sets with each one ad in them which are exactly the same. And the reason for this is each ad set is going to have its own algorithm, and it's sometimes random, so having 3 ad sets is going to give you more chance for having that successful ad campaign. Once this is ready, let it run for at least 48 hours, and you're going to notice that one of your ad sets is performing better, one is performing bad. So turn them off, the ones that are not working well, and let the ones that are actually converting and you're getting text messages be on. Now, the step 3 is where you actually make sure the people who reach out to you are actually gonna hire you to do their projects. And the way this works is you need to have a media kit. What is a media kit? Media kit is like a resume for content creators, let's say. And what we include in that is who we are, recent works with links to our portfolio. In addition to that, we are going to include what equipments we got and what value we can bring for them. It could be 2 pages, 1 page, and also include the price ranges for your services. And once the client reaches out to you, which is what we're going to do in this step, is we are going to welcome them, we are going to listen to them and what their needs are. And remember, not everyone is going to become clients, but you should treat every single one of them like they are an actual client of yours. So answer every single questions that they might have, and remember, schedule a meeting with them, either in person or through Zoom or Google Meet. Make sure you schedule a meeting with them in the same spot where they actually reach out to you. And also make sure your phone is always next to you, so when you get a conversion, you are there to answer the questions. Just walk them through the steps, break it down for them, and explain why you're charging them this amount of money. And I can ensure that if you actually deliver what you promised, they are either going to come back for more work, or they are going to actually refer you to their friends, families, colleagues for their project. So alright guys, these are the 3 steps that you can actually start using today if you already have your portfolio ready to start creating your campaigns and get clients. So if you had any questions about this whole process, make sure to let me know below in the comments. Now, this is the moment of truth. So if this was your first time watching my videos and you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, just give it a thumbs up and like the video for the algorithm, because I already love you so much. I know that you enjoyed watching this video, hopefully. And until the next video, مخلص.